Okay. Again, my dear students, problem number 31st. ನೋಡಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, that is 31st problem. CET question, KCET. Evaluate integral of 1 by sin square x into cos square x. ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ CET ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿದ ನೋಡಿ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. How to solve? ನೋಡಿ, it is in the form u by v, but we don't know the rule. Only we know the rule for integral of sum, integral of difference, integral of constant and function. But here u by v. To convert u by v into either sum or difference of two functions. How to convert? In the numerator, 1 can be written as using trigonometric identity. We write sin square x plus cos square x because you know that sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1 divided by denominator as it is sin square x into cos square x. Correct? Now divide term by term. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? sin square x divided by sin square x into cos square x plus cos square x divided by sin square x into cos square x with respect to x. Correct? That is integral of 1 sin square x cancel. Here 1 cos square x cancel. ಏನು ಉಳಿತಿದೆ? 1 by cos square x. But 1 by cos square x trigonometric identity, trigonometric function, secant square x with respect to x, split up the integral, plus integral of 1 by sin square x using trigonometric function, cosec square x. Then integrate, you know the integral of sec square x. ಯಾವ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ sec square x ಬರುತ್ತೆ tan x, because derivative of tan x is sec square x, plus integral of cosec square x. ಯಾವ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ cosec square x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ minus cot x, because derivative of cot x is minus cosec square x, that minus into minus plus c. This is CET question. Okay. Then 32, problem number 32. Evaluate integral of cos 2x divided by cos square x into sin square x. Again CET question. ಇದು ಕೂಡ CET question ನೋಡಿ. ಇದನ್ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಬಿಡಿಸಬೇಕು? Same method. Now that is equal to, you know that cos 2x using multiple angle, you know 4 formula. Out of 4 we take the formula cos square x minus sin square x, because cos square x minus sin square x is equal to cos 2x. ಇದನ್ನ ಯಾಕೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ವಿ? In the denominator ದಲ್ಲಿ cos square sin square ಇದೆ, that's why by taking cos square x minus sin square x, that is equal to cos 2x divided by cos square x into sin square x with respect to x. Now divide term by term. Cos square x divided by cos square x into sin square x minus sin square x divided by cos square x into sin square x with respect to x. That is 1 cos square x cancel, 1 sin square x cancel, split up the integral. Integral of 1 by sin square x is cosec square x with respect to x minus 1 by cos square x is secant square x with respect to x. Then integrate. You know integral of cosec square x in area minus cot x minus integral of sec square x tan x plus c. That is also CET question. Okay. Next problem number 33. ಏನಿದೆ? Evaluate integral of sin cube x plus cos cube x divided by sin square x into cos square x. That question was asked in the previous year, 2 or 3 mark question. So how to solve? Very simple. Divide term by term. Term by term divide ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡಿ ಇದನ್ನ. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? sin cube x divided by sin square x into cos square x plus cos cube x divided by sin square x into cos square x with respect to x. That is equal to, simplify, 1 sin square x cancel, 1 cos square x cancel, ಏನು ಉಳಿತಿದೆ? Numerator sin x divided by denominator cos square x ಉಳಿದಿದೆ. Cos square x can be written as cos x into cos x plus cos x divided by sin square x can be written as sin x into sin x with respect to x. Then simplify. Integral of sin x by cos x ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? tan x into 1 by cos x sec x, trigonometric function with respect to x. Split up the integral plus integral of cos x by sin x, cot x. Remaining 1 by sin x, cosec x. Correct? Then integrate. Clean the standard form ಬರುತ್ತದೆ. ನೀವು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ. What is integral of tan x into secant x? You know what is that? Sec x. Integral of cot x into cosec x minus cosec x plus constant of integration c. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? Yes, 34 problem. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಇದು. Evaluate integral of cos 2x minus cos 2 alpha divided by cos x minus cos alpha with respect to x. It is in the form u by v. To convert u by v into sum or difference of two functions. Now here alpha, it is constant value. It is an angle. Okay. How to solve? That is not variable. Now that is equal to cos 2x using multiple angle 4 formula, namely cos square x minus sin square x, or 1 minus 2 sin square x, or 2 cos square x minus 1, or 1 minus tan square x by 1 plus tan square x. So that among 4 we take cos 2x is equal to yav togolonu, we take 1 minus or 2 cos square x, 2 cos square x minus 1, but using multiple angle form, minus again same type cos 2 alpha, apply same formula, 2 cos square alpha minus 1. Move the answer 6 ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಂದೇ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್, divided by denominator as it is. ಸರ್ ಇದನ್ನೇ ಯಾಕೆ ನೀವು ತಗೊಂಡ್ರಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಅಮಾಂಗ್ 4 ನಮಗೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕು? ಇದನ್ನ ನೀವು ತಗೊಂಡ್ರಿ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ನೀವು ತಗೊಂಡ್ರಿ, ನಮಗೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕು? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಏನಿದೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. In terms of cos ಹೋಗಿದೆ ಎರಡು ಟರ್ಮ್, that's why by taking cos. Suppose ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ sin ನಾನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ in terms of sin ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. Okay, ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. That is 2 cos square x minus 1 minus 2 cos square alpha minus into minus plus 1 divided by cos x minus cos alpha with respect to x. Minus 1 plus 1 cancel. That equals 2 cos square x minus 2 cos square alpha. Among those two constant, take outside, 2 common, 2 into bracket cos square x minus cos square alpha divided by cos x minus cos alpha with respect to x. Okay, that is equal to integral of 2 cos square x minus cos square alpha. Put cos x equal to a, cos alpha is b. It is in the form a square minus b square. You know the formula, a square minus b square formula ಏನು? a minus b ಅಂದ್ರೆ cos x minus cos alpha, a minus b into a plus b ಬರೀಬಹುದಲ್ಲ, divided by cos x minus cos alpha with respect to x. One factor cos x minus cos alpha cancel. That is equal to 2 constant. Now take outside, split up the integral. Integral of cos x with respect to x plus integral of cos alpha with respect to x. That is 2 into integral of cos x with respect to x plus alpha is constant value. Take outside cos alpha, outside color ಏನು ಉಳಿತಿಲ್ಲ, 1 with respect to x. Right? Then integrate 2 into integral of cos x. ಯಾವದನ್ನ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ cos x ಬರುತ್ತೆ? sin x plus cos alpha is constant. What is integral of 1? ಯಾವದನ್ನ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ? x plus constant of integration c. ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಿ? ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ ಆಫ್ cos alpha sin alpha ಬರ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಿ, because alpha is not a variable, it is constant. Remember. ಓಕೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇವೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ನೀವು ನೋಡದೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಈಗ ನೀವು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ನೀವು ನೋಡದ ಬಿಡಿಸ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನೀವು ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಏನಿದೆ? 35th ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಇವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯುಯೇಟ್ CET ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ √1 plus cos 2x ತುಂಬಾ ಈಸಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಸಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ KCET. How to solve? That is root of, you know that 1 plus cos 2x ಆಗಲೇ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ನಾವು ಇದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. 1 plus ಇದ್ದಾಗ what is the formula? 2 cos square x. ಅದೇ 1 minus cos 2x ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 sin square x. ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಟೈಮ್ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು. 1 plus cos 2x is equal to 1 ಕಡೆ ನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಬಿಡಿ. 1 plus cos 2x is equal to 2 cos square x. 1 minus cos 2x is equal to 2 sin square x. Minus ಇದ್ದಾಗ 2 sin square ಬರುತ್ತೆ, plus ಇದ್ದಾಗ 2 cos square. Then simplify. That is integral of split of the root 2 into root of cos square x. Correct? Now root 2 is constant, take outside, into integral of, what is root of cos square x? Cos x. That is root 2. Integral of cos x, you know, what is that? Sin x plus c. CET question. Okay? Next question is problem number 36. Again CET question. Integral of cos inverse of sin x with respect to x. Here observe it. You know inverse trigonometric function. ಇಲ್ಲಿ cos inverse ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ sin ಇದೆ. Different category. Same category ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವ್ಯಾನಿಶ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. You know that cos inverse of cos theta is equal to theta. Same term. But ಇಲ್ಲಿ cos ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ sin ಇದೆ. So that what can you do? To convert sin in terms of cos. ಇದನ್ನು cos ಗೆ convert ಮಾಡಿ. How to convert? Sin x using allied angle. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, first PUC ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನೆನಪಿರಬೇಕು. So using allied angle sin x is equal to cos of 90 minus x. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ PU ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. sin x is equal to cos of 90 minus x. Now clearly cos inverse of cos vanish. It is in the form cos inverse of cos theta is equal to theta. Theta value is pi by 2 minus x with respect to x. Now split up the integral. Integral of pi by 2 with respect to x minus integral of x with respect to x. Pi by 2 constant, take outside, into integral of 1 with respect to x minus integral of x with respect to x. Then integrate pi by 2. What is integral of 1? ಯಾವುದನ್ನ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ? x. What is integral of x? ಯಾವುದನ್ನ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? It is in the form x power n. Integral of x power n is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. ಈ ತರ ಪವರ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಈ ಪವರ್ 1 ನಂಬರ್ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 1 plus 1 2 divided by 2 plus constant of integration c. Okay? Yes, problem number 37. Evaluate integral of tan inverse of sin 2x divided by 1 plus cos 2x. ಇಲ್ಲಿನೂ ಕೂಡ ಹಾಗೆ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ tan inverse ಇದೆ, ಇದನ್ನು tan ಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಹೇಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀರಿ? tan inverse of, you know that sin 2x using multiple angle formula 2 sin x into cos x divided by 1 plus cos 2x multiple angle formula ಆಗಲು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 2 cos square x with respect to x. 2 cancel, 1 cos cancel. That is tan inverse of sin x by cos x, tan x. Correct? Now clearly tan inverse of tan x is x with respect to x. Integral of x with respect to x, it is in the form x power n. What is integral of x power 1? ಇದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, x power 2 by 2 plus constant of integration c. Okay? Whereas 38 problem, ಇದು ಕೂಡ ಹೇಗಿದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಸೇಮ್ ಟೈಪ್. cos inverse of 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 plus tan square x with respect to x. Now that is ಇಲ್ಲಿ cos inverse ಇದೆ, ಇದನ್ನು cos ಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. You know the formula, direct formula 1 minus tan square x by 1 plus tan square x. Multiple angle formula ಅವಾಗ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ, cos 2x equal to 4 formula. Okay, now clearly cos inverse of cos 2x, that is cos inverse of cos vanish, that is 2x. 2 constant take outside, into integral of x with respect to x. Now that is 2 integral of x power 1 x power 2 by 2 plus constant of integration c. 2 cancel, that is x square plus c. Okay? Then 39th problem. Evaluate integral of 1 by under root of x plus 1 plus root of x plus 2 with respect to x. Now simplify. Now 1 by root x plus 1 plus root x plus 2. Rationalize the denominator part. Its conjugate is root x plus 1 minus root x plus 2 divided by root x plus 1 minus root x plus 2 with respect to x. That is, in the numerator, root x plus 1 minus root x plus 2 divided by, in the denominator, it is in the form a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b formula. A square minus b square. A square andre root x plus 1 whole square minus b square root x plus 2 whole square with respect to x. That is integral of root x plus 1 minus root x plus 2 divided by root x plus 1 to the power of 2. Root vanish, that is x plus 1 minus x plus 2 with respect to x. Further simplify, that equals root x plus 1 minus root x plus 2 divided by x plus 1 minus x minus into plus minus 2. Minus x plus x cancel. That is integral of root x plus 1 minus root x plus 2 divided by 1 minus 2 minus 1. Now multiply by minus sign or interchange in the numerator. Numerator interchange ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? A minus b same as minus of b minus a minus of root x plus 2 minus root x plus 1 divided by minus 1 with respect to x. That minus into minus plus root of x plus 2 minus root of x plus 1 with respect to x. Now again convert given it in standard form. Root x plus 2 can be written as x plus 2 to the power of 1 by 2 minus x plus 1 to the power of 1 by 2 with respect to x. Split of the integral, that is integral of x plus 2 whole power 1 by 2 with respect to x minus integral of x plus 1 whole power 1 by 2 with respect to x. That is equal to, put x plus 2 is capital X. It is in the form capital X power n. Integral of capital X power n. X power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1, that is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 by 2 plus 1. Similarly, x plus 1 whole power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 by 2 plus 1 plus constant of integration c. That is equal to x plus 2 to the power of 3 by 2 LCM 2, that is 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 minus x plus 1 whole power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 plus c. Then final answer is that 2 goes to numerator, that is 2 by 3 x plus 2 to the power of 3 by 2 minus 2 by 3 x plus 1 to the power of 3 by 2 plus constant of integration c. This is final answer. Okay. Yes, 40th problem. Integral of cos of x plus a divided by sin of x plus b. In ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡಿ, try yourself, homework problem. ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡಿ, ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ತಿಳಿಸ್ತೇನೆ.